Okay guys, let's check out the Royal Elementor Kit. This is one of my favorite themes, although it's not listed in the top 10 I think on WordPress.org. I'm not the only fan. Look at this. Its ratings, it has only 5-star ratings, or a couple of 4-star ratings, but nobody dislikes it. This is an amazing theme, and it should give you something more special than Elementor Pro if you have the Pro version. Okay, let's check it out. So with the AI department, we're done very quickly, as this theme does not have AI. It works with Elementor, which has AI, but only the Pro version, of course. And this theme makes only sense if you use it with the free version, because it's Elementor on steroids, better than the Pro version. If you want AI, then go with Elementor. You find it in my playlist, the review for it. Okay, let's go on with this speed test was done with a cache plugin installed. 87% the time in which it downloads compared to other websites, so 13% in the internet is faster. And structure is the code, how well was the code written for optimal performance. And Web Vitals is all within reach. This theme has been built especially to transform Elementor in a website building machine. So you need Elementor, the free version with it. It makes no sense to buy the Pro version, because the theme makes Elementor already on steroids basically. Look, here you can see active Royal Elementor Kit. I have it installed. It works like this. This is Elementor free, but if with this theme installed you don't use it, you go to Royal Elementors, and here you have it all, the theme builder for your header, your footer, all sorts of templates, pre-made blocks, pop-ups, you name it. If you click on add-ons, and this is for the page builder, it introduces so many new add-ons, or some people call it widgets. Look, it's over 100. I just scrolled through it because we have to speed up a little bit. So can you build a decent shop with Royal Elementor Kit? Of course you can. I showed you already the widgets, the add-ons. You have all extra in Elementor for especially for WooCommerce. In a moment I show you there are at least 40 or 50 starter sites with shops. I installed one. I'm going to show you that one as well. And everything is customizable. So the category pages, the product pages, you have swatches for colors. Everything is Ajax in the shop, the cards, the search. This is a good theme to build shops. So the theme has more than 140 starter sites. They call them here templates. It's funny how every theme calls them differently. There are a lot of them. Let's browse them all. Demo sites, that's another name for templates or starter sites. So here we go. Look, this is the one I have installed. Where is it? Here it is. Well, here you see the same header. And it's a web shop, and it looks pretty nice. This is really good theme, guys. The starter sites are nice. The page builder is brilliant. It is all adding up. I suddenly realized I did not show you a lot of starter sites, because I cut it off where I said that this one I installed it on the, well, on my website. So it is really 140, over 140, and as you can see, they all look pretty nice. Of course, they are not all from this year. This theme exists, I think, for about 5 years. So there are a lot newer than from other themes. Well, This is about enough. It goes on and on and on. There are at least 40 of them for web shops, I think. So how much does the Pro version cost? As you can see here, there is a sale running at the moment of 20% discount. Nice. This is actually a free theme, as well as Elementor is also free. So if you don't want to spend any money, brilliant. You have a very good theme with a very good page builder for, well, no cost at all. Of course, the Pro version gives you all this extra. So a mega menu. I'm not going to read it all, but you have a look. You can stop the video for a moment and check it out. Well, if the Pro version, they keep it all a bit secret how much it is. So let's click on it and see what it costs. At the moment, well, it's $30 for a single site, and for 500 sites, $180. So this theme is really recommendable. I told you in the beginning already, one of my favorites. People, please like and subscribe, do me that favor. And let's continue with the Divi theme. So how fast is this new Divi 5 really? How good is this page builder really? What else? Can you build nice shops with it? Let's check out this Divi 5 and start with the AI department. Let's see what they tell you themselves. Well, you can build entire websites with AI. You set up the website from scratch within minutes. You enter a couple of data it needs, and it does the rest itself. It generates images, text, anything. So if the website is there already, well, you can create or rewrite content with it. It generates images for you. It even rewrites images for you. And what about the amazing feature that is called Divi Quick Sites, which sets up your complete website in 2 or 3 minutes? You just enter your company details and it generates the images, the right colors, it writes all the pages and real good content, not just a garbage website. Very nice stuff. So here we go with results for the speed test. Performance, so the actual time in which a website loads, 91%, could not be better. Structure is how the website was built up for perfect performance, 97, that's amazing. And Web Vitals has no problems at all. So Divi 5 indeed is very, very fast. I think the fastest I have seen for themes so far. So speed test results, excellent. So that was about the speed of the actual websites, the front end. But what about the speed of the real page builder? That Divi 5 is amazing. I have to show you this short clip of the Elegant Themes website itself. I can only show you a little bit. See, you click in the link in the description and see the rest there, but have a look at this.
I'm going to click Edit with Divi, and what you'll notice is that the builder appeared without any loading. If I exit to the WordPress editor, it's also instant. If I return back to the builder, it's instant. If I switch to a different page using the command center, it's instant. I'm now editing an entirely different page. And if I view this page on the front end, it's also instant.
They call this speculative pre-rendering, the way the page builder works. Well, it blows my mind. By the way, people, like and subscribe, please. That really helps my channel. And let's continue with judging the page builder. Well, we did that already, but I've got something more to say about it. As a 20-year web designer, I have loads of experience with creating websites with Divi. And Divi Builder is so nice. Everything is smooth. It is so easy to fine-tune anything for mobile view. You can store anything in the library and use it on any page. And if you have Divi Cloud, then you can even use all components you have saved on any website you are working on. It's just by far the best page builder out there. WooCommerce. So according to Elegant Themes itself, Divi and WooCommerce is the ultimate e-commerce solution. And I think, well, that's a bit of an exaggeration, but they have basically everything. You can customize basically everything. Here they talk about cart and checkout, but also all the product pages can be customized. And you can use the Divi builder to create custom templates for each category of different products, so they all display in a different way. Divi is a really good theme to build websites. That is true. And of course Divi offers, as you can see here, a lot of special modules for WooCommerce. Here there are even more, and if you need more, then you can find them in the Divi marketplace. They say, well, they come as a plugin and will cost you like $35 or $45. It is a lot smarter to go to a GPL website where you can get those same plugins for only $2. Well, I know sites where they go for $2 and other sites they go for $5. Anyway, a big bargain. So what about starter sites? Well, Divi has a lot of starter sites, like 200 I think, but I don't really like them. It's not the most modern designs you find there, and they advertise with 2,000 different templates, same counts there. If you want to use a good starter site, then you need a child theme. That can be integrated in Divi in a few seconds, and also those are sold in the Divi marketplace, but same counts here. Go to a GPL website and you get them for a few dollars. I will put the links to two GPL websites in the description. Pricing, well, the best deals for Divi are the lifetime deals. For $249 you get Divi for life. You don't have the AI cloud and stuff like that. If you want that, then you pay $300 today. That's a big offer where you save 72%. Then you have also Divi VIP, and your emails will be responded within 20 minutes. So it's really VIP service. I'd say follow the link in the description, go to their own website and check everything out yourself, because if you see that website, that's already impressive.